Flaxseed is very beneficial for hair growth and length retention. It is one thing for your hair to be growing, it's another thing for you to retain the length, right? That is why I will urge you to actually incorporate flaxseed into your routine. So this is how my hair actually looks like before the application of flaxseed. You can notice how dry, how crusty it is. And the first step is to sprinkle water on your hair or spray water on your hair, then go in with your flaxseed gel. If you need a tutorial on how to make the best flaxseed gel for hair growth and length retention, click the card I'll be pasting right now. Moving on, ensure that you finger detangle and you apply as much as possible because you need enough sleep to do this process, right? Once you are done, go in with a white tooth comb or a white toothed brush, just like I'm doing in this video. Once you are done with a section, twist it up and move on to the next. Ensure you repeat this process for all the sections that you previously have on your scalp. Moving on, flaxseed has amazing benefits, and I want you to sit back, relax, and listen. Flaxseed has amazing benefits ranging from the fatty acid that is present in it. It has omega-3 fatty acid that is responsible for strengthening your hair follicles. Moving on, this particular gel would help your hair to have a form of elasticity, and it is actually very good for your hair strands. This jelly-like substance would help to strengthen your hair follicles, and you know, once your hair follicles are actually strengthened, the possibility of experiencing breakage is at minimal. So ensure that you incorporate this in your routine. It is suitable for pre-poo treatment. It is awesome. Moving on, it is packed with vitamin E, which will help to nourish your hair strands. Can you see how nice my hair is looking in this video? Yummy, sumptuous, yummy, yummy, yummy. Anyway, moving on, ensure that you use it the way I have explained in this video. Spray water from your spray bottle, or you just pour a bit of water on your hair strand and you go in with the gel. If you want to know how I got this particular bottle as opposed to the applicator bottle you're used to seeing, I have explained in details on how you can actually improvise with your water bottle. But moving on, can you see how coated this particular section of my hair is? So this is how you should coat your hair with the flaxseed gel. Don't forget, a white tooth comb or a white toothed brush would do you more good than harm. Don't go in with a 5-toothed comb because that will just, you know, encourage more hair breakage than usual. And generally, ditch a finely toothed or carved brush or comb, right? So moving on, this particular gel would give your hair sleep, like enough sleep for detangling to be very, very easy. So if you know you've tried the aloe vera gel, this is another jelly-like substance you can use to detangle your hair. So you can give it a trial and, you know, incorporate it in your routine. You can shuffle between using aloe vera gel or flaxseed gel. If you also need a tutorial on how to get your aloe vera gel right, I have like a playlist for DIY where you can learn how to extract aloe vera gel from the aloe vera leaf. Moving on, can you see that this is actually a curl defining gel? My curls are popping. So for my fussy girlies, for my 4A girlies, for my relaxed hair girlies, and so on, you can incorporate this into your routine and you'll be glad you did. I feel like a constant or a regular use of this flaxseed gel would help your hair in general. So if you are experiencing hair thinning, hair breakage, hair shedding, excessive hair shedding, incorporate this, and over time you should come back with a very, very good feedback or review. I'm just glad I finally incorporated this into my routine. I am really, really glad because over time I noticed how very, very luscious it feels on the scalp and on the hair. It is really nice, although the process seems a little bit messy, maybe because it's like my first time, and also this is actually a case of me not using the applicator bottle, so maybe that's contributed to it one way or the other. But nonetheless, I feel like I would, you know, try to handle it way better moving on. And aside from that, I feel it's because the gel is, you know, getting thicker as the temperature of the gel becomes cool. So that is why it is advised that you use it when it is at a certain temperature when it is not yet solidified to a large extent. If not, it will just keep falling and all of that. It will not have a runny consistency anymore. So this is it. I am almost done with the whole hair, right? Like I said, section your hair. Can you see how nice my hair is looking? So that's just basically it. Ensure that you give this a trial. If you need a tutorial on how to make your flaxseed gel, it is in my playlist and it is also on my page. Like, just check around, you definitely see it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends and family about this page. We are growing. We're moving towards the 4,000 watch mark. I can't wait to be monetized. I can't wait. So you guys, if you've not watched most of my videos, it's actually fun here. You can go back, sit back, relax, enjoy, soak it in, right? And just enjoy the rest of the video.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come out us. No go fambo.